Colourpop gave us a brand new collection, which is the Colourpop X How the Grinch Stole Christmas. I have pretty much everything that they sent me, from eyeshadow sticks to lip glosses to highlights, and we're gonna test it all. I did want to do a tutorial, but I didn't get to use or play much with this eyeshadow, and you will see why. But if you guys are gonna pick it up and want a different tutorial, maybe using the pinks and the maroons, let me know. Other than that, grab your cafecito or grab your hot chocolate, put on the Grinch on the back, and let's do our makeup and let's get glam together. Let's get right into it, guys. Okay, so we're starting off with our eyeshadow primer. I've been back on to this Dominique Cosmetics primer. Kind of forgot that I had it, honestly, and it's so good. So the original plan was for me to use the Grinch, or How the Grinch Stole Christmas, from the Colourpop palette, but as soon as I opened it, I was like, a little disappointed. There's literally 2 greens, so my plans had to change. I dug into one of my Blend Bunny Cosmetics palette and I started with a deep dark green, and I'm going to lay this shadow down first just so I can work my way up. It's easier for me to blend the shadows that way. With a clean brush, I'm just blending the edges, literally doing the 50-50 method. So your brush is going to be 50% on your skin and 50% on the edge that you're going to lay down. Then I'm going to take a lime green and I'm going to blend that eyeshadow until my arms fall off, quite literally. Cutting the crease, super easy. I only use 2 eyeshadows on my crease. I didn't want to complicate it. And I'm going to take a white matte eyeshadow. I'm going to lay this all over. I know this can be a little intimidating, so you can tone it down or change the color. And then I'm going back with that lime green and blending out the edges so everything looks nice and cohesive. And then, of course, we're going to go back and add a little bit of that dark green just to reinforce all the colors, to make it nice and saturated. And yeah, this is literally giving 2016 makeup. I love these looks. Like I said, I know they can be a little bit intimidating, but they're fun. Even if you just take pictures with them, have fun. Let's remember that makeup is fun, okay? And then I'm taking a small brush and I'm going over the crease just so I can perfect it and it can be super sharp. I'm taking that white glitter eyeshadow from the Grinch palette. It's really pretty and it does have like green iridescent, and I pop that into the inner corner for a little pop of color. And I decided to use that shimmer green shadow, which actually turned out to be so insanely gorgeous. I really like how it brought the whole look together. This all over the lid would also be really pretty, but I just stuck it in like the half of the lid, like the outer thirds, whatever you want to call them. Girl, I wasn't good at math, okay? So don't judge me. I'm going to go back and I'm going to take that forest green eyeshadow on a tiny brush, and I'm outlining the lower lash line again, just to make it everything look cohesive. And yeah, with that, we're going to blend it out and add a little bit of that lime green as well. And the look will pretty much be complete. I'm also going to add a lime green eyeliner. This is from LA Girl. I don't know if they still sell these, but these are old. I've had these forever. So the eyes are done. I figured I would incorporate a little bit, or the rest of my face, as much as I could. The Colourpop X, the Grinch Stole Christmas collection. I really wanted to use the palette, but I really wanted to use, like, I wanted to create this specific look. And this palette just didn't give me the option for that. It is a gorgeous palette, and I think I'm definitely going to play with these, like, maroon pink colors next, but I just really wanted to give the Grinch its moment, and I love the way the eyes turned out. They're very dramatic, of course, but it's makeup, okay? Let's apply the Grinch's Small Heart Grew 3 Sizes That Day Super Shock Highlighter Kit, which is super cute. It has 2 sizes, 2 small, and grew 3 sizes. So let's go ahead and open this and let's swatch them. Oh my gosh, this one is really pretty. This one is called 2 Sizes, 2 Small. And then we have Grew 3 Sizes, which is a really pretty pink. And it's a very sheer pink. I'm going to go in with the 2 sizes too small. We also have here the Grinch Swirl Lip Gloss Kit. Oh my gosh, I love me a good swirl lip gloss. They're so cute. It comes with 3 different shades. And these are it. Look at how cute these are. Okay, let's do a quick little swatch. This is in the shade The Mean One. And then we have Sweet Little Tot, which is a pink. And then the last one is called Fake Reindeer, which is such a cute nude. And then we have 3 little lip kits. So this one here is called Pinky Who, which has Cindy Lou in the front. This is the lip liner in the shade Big Bow. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Look at that. It's a really nice mauve. And then the plumping gloss in Small Who. That is so pretty. It's like pink iridescent. Oh, these are eyeshadow sticks. We have Whoville and Who Stockings. So that is Who Stockings, which is a pinky, like a rose gold. And then Whoville, which is more of a violet pink. The last one is the Santa Claus Hat Lip Liner. Oh, that's really pretty. And then we have the Boo Hoo Plumping Lip Balm, which is that one right there. I'm going to go in with the Big Bow lip liner. These smell so good. They're so minty. And then I'm going to top it off with Fake Reindeer, which is the swirl. Oh, they smell like a cookie butter. These don't have much pigment to them, but they are really, really pretty. So what do you guys think of the Grinch collection? So far, everything is really, really cute. Obviously, for me, it's always like the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette is always my absolute favorite, but what do you guys think? I had to change my lippy because it just wasn't matching the vibes, but I did add Sweet Little Tots on top of this, and I think it just looks really pretty. So what are my thoughts on the Grinch Stole Christmas Colourpop X the Grinch Stole Christmas slash makeup tutorial, because I didn't really use too many colors of the palette. I will play with it. If you guys have it, let me know, or if you guys are not going to get this collection, then I probably will just, you know, like pass it on. But overall, I mean, it's Colourpop. Like, their palettes are always really, really good. I just wish there was a little bit more green to play with in here, since it is so heavily themed around the Grinch. I wish there was like transitional shades to make a look like this in this palette. But overall, this eyeshadow right here is crazy pigmented and it's really pretty. And this one right here that I use in the inner corner as well, super, super cute. So for me, the palette is amazing. The lip glosses are really cute. My favorite ones are the swirl glosses, because these are colors that I can actually reach for and use. Especially this one in the shade Fake Reindeer, because it has the perfect amount of nude. The highlights are also really, really pretty. I love how they're like subtle, but they're still there. And then the little lip combos, honestly, these are going to be really, really cute for the winter time. So overall, I think it's a good collection. I like it, but I was just slightly disappointed in the palette. I would love to know your thoughts in the comment section down below. As our secret little handshake, leave me a green heart so I know that you made it till the end. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.